I'm Kelly Anthony with theanthonykitchen.com, and today I am going to show you just how easy it is to make the perfect homemade peanut butter cookie totally from scratch. Okay, let's go ahead and get those dry ingredients out of the way. So we're gonna be using 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Then we're just gonna whisk it all together, set it aside, and get started on our wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, we're gonna start with brown sugar. So we'll add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar to the bowl, as well as 1 tablespoon. Then we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. This is not the time for healthy peanut butter. Just good old standard creamy peanut butter is all you need. Get all that in the bowl. We're gonna add 2/3 of a cup of melted butter, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, either using a handheld mixer or your stand mixer, mix together the wet ingredients just until everything looks like it's come together. Perfect. Add your dry ingredients and slowly mix in those dry ingredients. Okay guys, that's it. That's all it takes to make peanut butter cookies from scratch. Now, what we're gonna do is just scoop them onto our baking sheet. Don't worry if they don't go into a perfect shape as you drop them onto the baking sheet. The fork tines are gonna help to round them out. Okay, now we're gonna do the classic peanut butter cookie crosshatch pattern. So you'll just take your fork and press it in both ways, just making a little crosshatch. So now we're just gonna sprinkle some granulated sugar across the top, and into the oven they go. How easy was that? Perfectly chewy, thick, soft peanut butter cookies ready for the taking.